little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. Have you ever observed that even after emptying any glass of water, there are still some water droplets present on the inner walls of the glass? This is due to adhesion between the particles of water and the particles of the glass. In this video, we are going to learn more about this property of water with the help of an interesting activity. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the properties of water activity kit, the magnetism activity kit, the conservation of water activity kit, and the disposable glasses. Take out the blue food color from the properties of water activity kit, black tape from the conservation of water activity kit, and the white thread from the magnetism activity kit. Also take out 2 disposable glasses from the box. Your IntelliSmart box contains 3 types of disposable glasses. You need to use the type 1 glasses for this activity. You will also need a pair of scissors and a glass of water from your home. Place the disposable glasses on a table or any flat surface. Unwind approximately 50 cm of the thread, or you can use the remaining thread from the magnetism activity kit. Now, dip this thread in the glass of water to make it wet, like this. Now, let's cut a small piece of black tape and stick it to one end of the thread, like this, and then to the inner edge of one of the glasses, like this. Make sure that the loose end is hanging freely, like this. Now, repeat the same for the other end of the thread. Cut some black tape, stick it to the other end of the thread, and now to the bottom of the other disposable glass. Now, fill one of the glasses with water up to half and add 5-6 drops of the blue food color to it. Let the color mix with the water. Now, lift the glass containing colored water in one hand and hold the empty glass with the other hand, like this. Make sure that the thread is tight by adjusting the distance between the glasses. Carefully pull the thread towards the inner side of the glass with your index finger. Now, we have to pour the colored water from this glass into this one by tilting it like this. Let's pour the water very slowly now. Can you see that the water is flowing along the thread and then into the other glass? When we let the water flow out very slowly, the water particles stick to the particles of the thread and flow along it into the other glass. Water particles have a tendency to attract the particles of other substances towards themselves. This property of water is called adhesion. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.